going on, you guys? This is Sean here again. I just wanted to record a quick video and explain what happened to my Fujifilm XT3 review video quickly. I believe I posted it about 2 days ago, and it was a lengthy review. It was probably a little bit over 15 minutes. I tried to cram as much stuff as I could in there for you guys. Just first and foremost, thank you so much to everybody who watched that video, if you got a chance to see it, and all of my other videos, everybody who subscribed. But let's just get down to the topic, what happened to it. So I posted the video, and within the first hour it got a lot of traction, a lot of great response and views. However, 3 people in particular that I've noticed have commented on my last 3 videos had a lot of very salty comments to make, and that's okay. You know, it's like the camera market has become like politics. It's like, oh, you shoot Sony, you shoot Canon, oh, blah blah blah, and let's all be at each other's throats. And the end of the day, I love Fuji. I mean, it's not hard to tell. You can call me whatever you like about that, but personally, I believe that Fujifilm with the XT3, there is nothing else out there on the market for the price that does great photo and video at the quality that you're getting. 10-bit, 4K 60p, great high ISO values and performance, and just that amazing color science. So obviously I love the camera, right? Let's just get past that. So I did the review, and these 3 guys were commenting on the video with hateful things. So rather than attack them as people, I just decided to joke around, and maybe I was antagonizing them a little bit. I believe one guy said like the Fuji XT3 is just a giant overpriced piece of shit, and I would never buy that. Okay, whatever, it's the camera's not for you. But I was just joking around and messing around, and I believe afterwards he said something to the fact that Sony's going to come out with something to destroy and stomp on your piece of shit camera, and you know, it's a camera for people who have no money and who like small sensors, and you know, it was a little bit over the top for something on cameras. So whatever, you don't like the camera, but relax, man, it's just a camera, you know. Let's just all create. But I decided to just, you know, press with him and play along. But again, not attacking him as a person, not saying anything derogatory, not cursing, not being, you know, over the top. So you wanna make comments like that? All right, let's just play around, let's have fun. So I think I responded something to him like, yeah, man, I can't wait to see it. I'm really pumped up for those extreme harsh red and magenta skin tones, and you know, when the camera overheats, that's going to be awesome too, because I'm actually looking for a new bed heater. It's, you know, winter's coming up. Something, just joking around. So I think he or one of the other guys I responded to got a little bit salty. That is just my guess on all of this, and they reported my video as spam, and YouTube has removed that video as spam, which obviously it's not. It's a camera review. It's not advertising anything at all, and it's not anything that is inappropriate. I use no profanity. I said a lot of good things about Sony systems in there. I said a lot of good things about Canon systems in there, about Panasonic systems. I'd like to think my review was very concise, very as unbiased as it possibly can be. Obviously I love the camera, I shoot with it, but I said things that were better about the Sony. I said things that were better about Canon cameras than the Fujifilm camera. So I don't know, piss somebody off. I think it's a little bit childish that you're going to go and report somebody's videos to get taken down, especially when I work so damn hard on it. I don't have to sit here and tell a lot of the viewers how long it takes to edit some of these videos and how long it takes to go out and shoot all that content. So I'm working on it. I put in an appeal with YouTube. Let's just hope that things go smooth. I've heard that it could take anywhere up to 4 weeks. I think it's a little ridiculous that YouTube doesn't have a vetting process for this to be able to say, is this video spam? Is this a totally false claim? You know, it's just to the point where anybody's video can get totally removed within an instance when it really shouldn't be at all. So I think it's a really crappy thing to happen, but that's okay. That's all right. We're going to make more content here, and let's just move forward. Don't ever dwell on the past. Move forward. People want to be salty. That's the way of the world. That's life. So thank you again to everybody who's been a major support on my channel, who's subscribed here, who's given video thumbs up or thumbs down, who's commented down below whether you had something to argue about the camera system, whether you loved my videos and they've helped you or whatever. So we'll be coming out with new content soon. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video, and hopefully we'll have some updates soon. Take care.